What is the length of the side opposite to angle A? And the length of the side adjacent to angle A. So let's think about this. So let's just write down angle A, and these are going to depend on which angle we pick. And this right here is angle A. It's at vertex A. And so the first thing they say is the length of the side opposite to angle A. So what is that length going to be? Well, we literally just have to go to the opposite side of the triangle or figure out what this angle opens onto. So if we go to the opposite side of the triangle, we go to this side, side BC, and it has length 6. Now let's think about adjacent. Adjacent. What is the length of the side that is adjacent to angle A? Well, in everyday language, adjacent means next to. And over here, it looks like there's two sides that are next to angle A. So which one do you pick? Well, when you're dealing with right triangles, and this indeed is a right triangle. You see right over here, angle C, the symbol means that it's a 90-degree angle. This is a right triangle. In a right triangle, you have one side that's always going to be the longest. It's opposite the 90-degree side, and it is called the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. So when people are asking about an opposite or an adjacent, especially an adjacent angle, they're essentially asking a side that's next to the angle that is not the hypotenuse. So when you look at angle A, the side that's next to it that is not the hypotenuse is this right over here, side AC or CA, and it has length of 8. Now let's do the same thing for angle B, just to get a little bit of practice here. Angle B. So what is the length of the side opposite to angle B? Well, this right over here is angle B, and if we go across the triangle to the opposite side, or you think about what side does the angle open onto, you see it has length 8. So in this case, the opposite side has length 8. So for angle A, that was an adjacent side. For angle B, that's an opposite side. Now let's think about adjacent for angle B. Adjacent. Well, adjacent literally means next to. You could say this side and this side, side BA and BC are both next to it, but BA is a hypotenuse. So in this context, when we're talking about adjacent sides, we're explicitly referring to this side right over here. So in a right triangle, each angle is only going to have one adjacent side. The side that's next to it, that's not the hypotenuse. So the adjacent is equal to 6. Notice, for angle A, the opposite side had length 6, while for angle B, the adjacent side had length 6. These were the same sides. It's just opposite for one and adjacent for the other. And you see the same thing on the side of length 8. It's adjacent to angle A, and it is opposite to angle B.